Hey guys, Brad here with Steel City Tap. I've got two different samples of tap handles, one from an overseas manufacturer and one from our manufacturer. I want to show you guys the difference in our product versus theirs from a drop test. We always talk about durability when it comes to tap handles, and I think that you're going to find something really interesting out about these whenever you see the overseas handle get dropped. They're made of a fiberglass resin, which is not as durable and it's not as impact resistant. And a lot of people call me on a regular basis and complain about this product. Ours is a US-based polyresin that is highly durable. It is actually made similar out of materials that your bumpers are made out of. So let's do this drop test. Here's one. Here's two. So after our drop test, you can see that the competitor's product broke and is now not going to be usable. So think about that in the market when you want to think about the longevity of your product and not having to replace it ever so often. That means our product, which we actually dropped 3 times, we only took a little bit of paint damage, which could be touched up, and there's just a little bit of chipping from the rocks that it fell on the pavement. So remember, when you're making your choice, the price is going to help out in the longevity of your handle because this polyurethane product is actually better. Check us out, www.steelcitytap.com, and also follow us on Instagram at SteelCityTapCo. And because I've gotten some requests, I'm going to smash the crap out of this thing just for fun. Have a great day.